Hi parents. Okay, today I'm going to bring you through a video on how you can submit your children's work to me via WhatsApp. This is just a spare number, right? So I don't really use this for communication wise. All right, okay, so go to go and look for this app, all right, to download, which is a Fast Scanner, okay, on your mobile phone. Okay, this is for Apple. All right, next step. Okay, so once you have installed the app, okay, once you open the app, this is what you will see. I need you to click on the camera, okay, and you receive this pop-up notice, okay. Would you like it to access the camera? Click on OK, all right, and then what you do is you actually take a snapshot of your child's work, okay, and then the green border, you can actually adjust to make sure that your child's work is within the green border, and you click on the tick. Okay, so basically this is what you will see. Okay, I've just made the screen a little bit bigger for you. So at the bottom, all right, there is like photo gray color. If you want, you can actually select the extreme left black if your child's work is very light. Okay, else you can just click on photo and then, okay, you proceed with a tick. Okay, next step, you will see this. Okay, we are not done with the photo taking because there's going to be a few pages. So you click on the camera again, go through the same process, okay, on the tick, and then you'll be able to see, okay, in my case for demonstration, I just scanned into two pages. Maybe for yours, you will see 4 pages. Next step, okay, is a step that you're almost coming to send to me, okay, which is you click on the upload. Okay, you will see this first screen on your left. Okay, what I need you to do is scroll to your right. You'll actually see open in, you'll see this PDF. Click on it. Once you select it, you'll actually see WhatsApp. Okay, which actually brings you to your WhatsApp, and I will give you my number later on, and then you can send the document to me. All right. I hope this video was very clear. If you have any questions, all right, or any difficulties that you face, you can message me through Class Dojo. Thank you.